Hello guys and welcome to another day with ZIMALETA. In today's video I'm gonna box two drones for my kids. I got two kids, so I got them some mini drones. Here's what they look like. They're very tiny and pretty much you could fly them inside of the house, which is kind of good. And here's the remote for it. So we will be doing unboxing and a quick little startup guide because you will kind of need it. For the setup. Here's the mini drone. The very first thing you're gonna need to do is actually unfold its little blades. And I know they are kind of like, they feel like they're stuck on there, but they fold out pretty easy. The next thing you're gonna want is go ahead and actually open up this package right here. It has a lot of different parts in it and things of that nature. We will get into that in a moment. You will need to find two of these. So upon looking at them, you'll see there's like one little piece here, and then when you actually inspect this blades here, it's the same way designed. The square piece is right here and right here. So this means you can only attach them kind of like one way. So when you install these in here, not only that they're going to be protecting your blades, but they're also going to prevent the blades from folding in. If that becomes a problem in the future, they are kind of stuck on there, so that shouldn't be a problem. So here we go. We have put them on. One thing to notice, these legs are rubber, so it sits down very lightly. It does come with two batteries and a battery charger. You can actually charge them with a provided micro USB cable by simply plugging in to the side over here. So you're gonna need to install two of these AAA batteries and go ahead and actually replace the cover along with this really tiny screw that's back here. Now the very next thing is we're gonna need to fly the drone, but before we could fly it, we actually need to calibrate it. It's gonna be real important because you're not going to be able to take off without the calibration process. So the very first thing you're gonna need to do is first find this on button right drone and turn it on. The drone begins to blink like so. Then you're going to need to cut the remote on. Once you cut the remote on, you're gonna need to push up, then push down, like that, and now we're ready to fly. There is also another calibration that we need to do is you take both of these things and you put them, this is the calibration process, in the corner this way and in the corner this way. Once the lights they stop blinking, the calibration is done. In order to take off, there's actually three ways of doing it. One of them being this button right here, and we have this remote upside down, so you could actually just press this to take off and land. So once you actually press it, it's gonna take way out. There's another way of doing it, and this is by actually taking these two things and sticking them to the sides like that. Once you actually do that, you could start taking off like that. Yeah, the drone was trying to get away from me there. So another way of actually doing it is actually by simply throwing the drone up in the air. We do want to make sure the remote is nearby. So you could actually land it like this by actually hitting the land button here. So the next step is just hit the button one time, it's going to take off, and then one time to actually land the drone. I basically landed it by pressing this. There's also a stop button, so if the drone is flying, you could actually hit the stop. There's the headless, which is the headlights type of light here. So you could do headlights or no headlights. This drone also does flips. There's a button over here for flips and 360 degree turnaround. And also there's a speed increase right here. I haven't tried that because we are inside the house and this drone does fly pretty fast. So let's try to actually start this drone up again by just simply throwing it up in the air. And I got this remote. Here you go. It's like a little fly. One thing to note, guys, is that these propeller blades possibly will break. It's nice of them that they included 8 propeller blades. They simply come off, guys. They're just kind of like they're they're on there kind of like on a little thin type of motor, so you just simply install it like this, and that's it. This is the way they come on. So there's totally 8 of them, which is kind of nice. They also included this little tool in case you need to do some more removing. This is probably could be used for something else. I really don't see how this tool could be used, but they did include it. Possibly it's in the instruction, and a really nice tiny screwdriver.
My name is Serge ZIMALETA. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have sprint or expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.